Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the user account type on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's say I have multiple users which are registered on my Windows 11 operating system. In my case, let me show you. So when I click on this Windows icon, I have this CB user and I have this user 2. CB is the administrator and user 2 is the normal user. How you can check whether this user is an administrator or the normal user? For checking this, you can just click on the search icon and then search for control panel here, and then click on control panel and then view by category, and then click on change account type under user account. Okay, so just click on change account type, and here you will be able to see the list of all the users. As I said, in my case I have the user CB, which is an administrator of this Windows 11 operating system, and I have the user 2, which is the local account, and he's the normal user. He don't have any administrative privileges on my Windows 11 operating system, right? So to change the account type, you'd have to be logged in with your administrator account. As I have, you can see I'm logged in with my CB account, which is the administrator, right? Now, in order to change the user account type, just click on the user for which you want to change the user account type. And on the left hand side, you will be able to see the list, and here you will be able to see change the account type link. So just click on this link, and from here you can change the standard user to administrator user, and then click on change account type, and now you can see the account type has been changed to the administrator, right? So when you once again go to the control panel, click on change account type here, you can see now both users are administrator. Okay, so this is the first way. If you don't see this control panel and these options because Windows 11 is going to change its UI, then what you can do, let me show you the second way. Okay, so what you can do from here, you can just right click on your Windows icon. This is the right click and not the left click, and then you will be able to see the settings option here. Okay, you can also open the settings option by just searching for the settings app, and this is also going to open the same kind of window. Now in here you need to click on the accounts, and then you will be able to see this option which says family and other users, and here you will be able to see the list of other users other than your main user. So I have added this user 2, which is the administrator, because recently I have changed the account type, right? From here also you can change the account type. Just click on the user for which you want to change the account type, and this option is also available here. So just click on change account type, and from administrator I can change it to standard user, and then click on OK, and then this user is now only the standard user. I can verify it once again by just going to the control panel and then clicking on change account type, and you can see the account type is now changed to the normal standard user. Okay, so you can use any of the two ways which I have shown you to change the account type of the user on your Windows 11 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.